Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different.
Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. It is Journal here. If you do not know me, then you need to subscribe and check out my other videos. So right here, I'm showing you the braiding pattern that I use for this Upart versatile wig. I'm holding my leave out, and then the edges that I am showing you will be left out. So make sure you braid your edges up. And the middle part is what's going under the wig. So this is the cap I use. I actually use the regular size, and I'm just showing you what you'll use with a colored pencil or concealer. You will be filling out the braid where you would sew the weft on the unit, and you will trace on there. I just didn't want to ruin this cap, so that's why I didn't. And it will look exactly like this. You will cut the excess cap off. You will not be able to sew it onto the whole cap because that will defeat the purpose of this being a versatile unit. And this is what it will look like. Very, very simple. So here I am just oiling my scalp. I'm oiling the part that will go under the unit because I don't want to oil my whole scalp because I know I will be straightening my hair. And here I'm putting on the unit. It should fit perfectly because you did it customized on the braids that you have right now. So you'll just fill it, make sure it's on securely, and then once you feel comfortable with where it is, you'll start sewing it onto your braids. So in order to secure it, you will have to put the needle through the thread loop. Like that. And then from there, you'll just keep putting the needle through the thread loop in order for it to be secure. And to do a double or triple thread, you'll just wrap the thread around the needle like I just did. And I will be doing this throughout the whole video of adding this cap to my head or to my braids, so just keep on watching.
Major, don't go. Oh, Major, don't go.
So once your cap is on your head, you will be able to take down the braids of your leave out. You should be able to easily take this out with no problems. And then right here, I'm just adding some water to my hair to see if it blends in with this unit. In my opinion, I don't love it. It is acceptable to wear, but it's just something I don't feel comfortable wearing out in public. And this is what it looks like in the middle part. It's alright, but I don't love it. And then I'll be able to show you what it looks like in a ponytail. This is a versatile Upart wig, so you'll be able to put it in a middle part, side part, and ponytail. Leave a comment on which one you like better. And here I'm using the Paul Mitchell Super Skinny Serum. I'm using this on my leave out, and then later on I add it to the actual unit. And this just helps with frizz and serves as a heat protectant. And I'm just smoothing my hair out, working the product in, and then I'll be blow drying it. And I'm making sure that I get it as sleek as possible with this blow dryer in order for my hair to be as straight as possible when I go in with a flat iron and hot comb. And here I'm just blow drying the hair, making sure I blow dry everything together so that everything blends in smoothly. Checking the back, if you see that it's a little wavy, I'm going in and just blow drying it some more to get it as straight as possible. So here I'm sectioning off where I'm going to add extra wefts because I want it to look even on both sides. So I'm going to be sectioning off my edges because it won't blend in if you glue the weft all the way to your edges. So I'm sectioning that off, and I will be adding 2 sections of wefts using that glue. So I'm parting my hair in this small section, and from there I am going to glue the weft onto my actual hair. You should be able to easily place it onto your hair, and from there leave it on and blow dry it. I use medium heat, high speed. And I'm going to be doing it again on the second section. Just to know, I used 2 wefts and sewed them together, but you could use just one, but that's what I did just for it to look as full as possible. And then I'm just holding it on and blow drying it. And now everything is even on both sides. I am a little disappointed that the wefts that I sewed on aren't black, but I will be dyeing it later. And here I'm just hot combing my edges to get it as sleek as possible, and then I'm going to be flat ironing my whole head. I'm just trimming my ends. I comb everything in the front and hold it and cut into a blunt cut so that everything is even, and I'm loving it so far. I'm able to put it in a side part, and you should too easily, even with adding those extra wefts in there. And I love the side part. It really looks really nice to me. It's my favorite of the 3 options. And then you should easily be able to put it into a middle part like this. So simple. And then here I am putting it into a ponytail. So like I said, with a versatile Upart wig, you should be able to put it in the middle part, side part, and ponytail. Comment down below which one you like better of the 3 options. I personally, like I said, like the side part, but the second is the ponytail. It's so cute and it looks so natural. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave it a thumbs up, comment any questions you have below, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.